What are you going to do tomorrow in the morning?
Tomorrow I'm gonna ride horse.
Good.
He's sleeping.
Oh, tomorrow will be the great day.
You're big, Papa.
Hey everyone! We are on our way to Koh Samui!
First of all, we would like to point out the feature of Rompria, as well as are available at our service counter and for the room. For your own safety, please read and wait for the further instruction. Our Thank you for your attention เดี๋ยวท่านผู้โดยสารทุกท่านทราบค่ะขณะนี้เรือเร็วที่สัมภาระด้านหน้าหัวเรือของเราก็ผู้โดยสาร
Are you happy?
สามารถสัมภาระของท่านได้ที่ท่าเรือค่ะ
Today I'm going to Colt. It's a horse club. It's on Samui. We are now on Samui, but we are on holiday days and we actually leaving yet. So here we are at the stable. There are all the horses. This one has a hurt hoof. Well, they rescue horses and they take good care of them. The horses, this is Saba. They're black and white. They took her family for a ride. She does not like to be alone. Okay, so Colt, they rescue horses and they teach people how to be nice with horses. And I really like that. They also have one on Phuket. They have one stable on Samui and another one on Phuket. Okay, so Saba is a horse that has a baby in her tummy. And she's really, really cute, but a bit naughty. Saba is too cute. Look, she's right there. The black and white horse. Look, she has a big tummy. And like when she tries to lick her tummy. And we also have some chicken. Look, there's a, I think this one is rooster, and those are baby chickens. And I think the one that's there, it's mommy. And there's also an orange one. It's, I think, a rooster. I think he's the daddy. First time when I noticed that there are horses in the planet Earth, I was like 3 years old or 4. My grandma gave me a t-shirt with the unicorns, and then I liked the t-shirt. It was pajama, and I always, when I go tonight, I wear it. I really liked that. They will hurt their hoofs. I'm so worried about this one because it has on her hoof. It has something on her hoof. The one that's pink and white. This horse was rescued, and I really like that. They not like buy horses. They rescue them from bad people who does not be nice to them. We are right now going to eat some food because I have a nice didn't eat. So we are going to the cafe. We go right here when we ride first, and I really like that. It's really beautiful because it has some flowers, it has leaves, it has so many green leaves. The thing that a coconut can fall on your
Oh, and what is it?
horse. Oh, I can we are going to the beach right now because I'm gonna go to the beach. I have my lessons there. We are gonna eat.
Oh, fresh poo. Oh my god.
Now I saw
Oh, what a stunning view. It's
we are
amazing.
almost at the beach. So we need to walk there. So when I rode the horse first time, I was really I don't know, but the horse that I rode first time, I think his name was Beck. I don't know, it's a Thai name. We found the shark here. When we saw it, we were like, ah. Some things going up. I don't know. I don't know. We came right there, but it was slow. So we decided just to walk around and find first time somewhere they opened the cafe for us. I'm very thankful.
Yeah. What is it?
We came to the cafe and I like this one for me. Yeah, this one and this one, this one and this one. Oh, look, there's a fish and stuff.
Or maybe you wanted some donut?
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. I want
And milkshake?
yes.
Okay.
I know this movie. It's about a boy that didn't care about his school. And this is a cup. This is a cup. I didn't see that.
Milkshake first?
We're going to get to some water.
Yeah. Mmm. What can you say about this?
10 out of 9. Wait, 9 out of 10.
Mm. Yummy.
Tell you one joke.
Mm.
Where can you get more ice? From ice.
It's a joke. It's a reality. How many points?
9 out of
9 out of 10.
Yes, I've seen these injuries. There's the other naughty girl that's biting her. So we're going to be cleaning the wound a bit, but we'll do it after we have ridden. So we're just going to walk around, look at your horsey. Do you see other injuries on there? Hello, Saba. Hello, girl. Look at the feet, the legs. We do not see any injuries. We can feel a little bit. There's no injuries on the horsey. All around, nothing. Okay, that's an old mark. Look at the hair. They cut the hair. It looks funny now. Say, what did they do with your hair, Saba? That's number one. Let's find another one for you.
I don't drive the bike. I don't drive
No, don't drop the... So we can just do it all around, but do not touch the wound for now. So just go around the wound. Okay. Sabi, come stand here. No, just go. Go, boy. Go.
Is she biting?
No, she's not biting. She doesn't like the other horsey. The other horsey bothers her. So the other horsey is bothering the girl. She don't like the other horsey. Yeah, she don't like the other horsey.
Especially the horse so it does not get it. When you put this feather on.
Okay.
So take the loose hair off so it doesn't make knots on her, and the knot can actually cause injury. So we take all the loose hair off, and then we're going to put the saddle pad on, saddle the horse again. So I think we need to check the hooves as well. Okay, let's start with the front one. Come girl. Move the muscle, lift the leg like this. Remember to keep it up like this. Okay, I'll hold it for you and you can clean. See how hard the sand is. Not so easy to clean. Saba. I know, that's why we must learn to use our hands. So she does follow instructions.
Wait,
Come go.
there's also a bike.
Cleaned properly.
The horse does not like that.
So when we put the saddle pads up, we must make sure it lines up with the shoulder blades. So just move it a little bit to the front so it lines up with the shoulder blades here. Right. Yeah, it's a little bit wet. They've been working a lot these days. Why do we have two saddle pads on, do you know?
Because if we put one, it's not like so big.
Not so thick,
Yeah, and it won't hurt the foot.
Not always, so it's normally when there's a little bit heavier people on the horses, they get injured then. So we always put two on so we can protect the horse's back. Some space for movement. So when the shoulders move, the saddle pad can also move with the shoulder blades. Do you know who the lady was that was helping you that side? Was it maybe Charlotte?
I don't.
You don't know.
What is that?
It is medication, it's a spray. So normally when there's a wound like this one on the neck, we will put the purple one on. The purple one keeps the flies away. So the flies will not lay eggs in the wounds. We'll keep it clean. Oh, we need to clean our eyes as well. So I'm going to get some stuff. We're going to quickly clean our eyes a little bit.
Saba is a nice horse, but he does not listen to me. Bleeding rope. This one is the leading.
This mineral water or clean water. And then we're going to clean her eyes a bit. She said he doesn't have hands, so she can't wash her face in the mornings. So we need to assist them and help clean the eyes. Otherwise the flies will also bother her eyes while we're riding. So we start from the back. Start in the back corner and lift right to the front. And get all the ewy stuff out. Ewy. Girl, look at all this ewy. You can do. Okay, my hands are dirty now, so you can take a little bit of the cotton. Pull, pull, pull. A little bit more. I see. Very good. Cotton. Watch your gloves. I'll walk with you so I can hold the horses. What's the name again?
Saba.
Very good. Oh. Let me just stand on this side so mommy.
That's already different.
This eye is not that dirty, but it's okay. You can still clean it a bit. Okay. Come, Papa. Good girl. This is cleaning your eyes. Okay. Yes, girl. Okay, so Vasilisa, let's get you a helmet. I'm gonna give you.
How are you doing? Did you treat the horse already? Good job.
Black ones are just too big. The other ones.
Is it too big or too small? It's good? Okay.
And just I'll put the head and see. First open. See. Close the front first. The most important piece. Close. These around.
Are you ready?
Hair out of the way. See the hands? Yeah. Something.
Inside?
Yeah. Okay. Let's move down to the beach. See there, we're gonna have the cones today. We're gonna be working with cones, so you work on your handling of your horse. So if you want to go left, we're gonna do it. We'll do it on the beach. So, say walk on.
Saba.
Oh, just like for the truck. Just the basics. Leaning forward. in between. You have to guide it nicely so that she doesn't kick over the cones. Remember, don't go too sharp. Make it a little bit of a turn. Great job. Ready? Just guide. Good. Ready? Okay. Do the next one. Line up nicely. Okay, nice job. Yes, now we're going to go around the coast. So we're going to make a nice circle. So we're going to go clockwise around right hand. Then we're going to turn the horsey around and we're going to go anti-clockwise around the left. Remember, you're going to keep your right hand in and you're going to use your left heel, that side the heel. Keep your horsey to go in a circle. Right, so if she doesn't listen, you can use your left. Now it's going to be the opposite. You're going to use your right hand to keep the horsey outside if he wants to come inside. Keep the cones. Once more around the circle, then we're going to change direction. Go all the way around. Warms up and then we give her a bath in the water. Okay. So get ready, feel your feet. Up, down. Very good. You're doing excellent. And a tap to say thank you, Saba. You're also doing great. A little bit of water.
I'm so proud of you, Vassi. You can ride the horse by yourself. I can't believe my eyes, really. Are you happy, Vasilisa? You're so serious. What can you say about your riding?
I want water.
You want water? Yeah, of course.
How about you get scared? Just be straight. Okay, that's some shade.
But if you send this, people will be scared and I won't be scared.
Hey, how are you?
Good.
Good.
Practice, you must ask Daddy to put a little stick behind you so you can practice your back, keep your back nice and straight. Okay. Okay, just say goodbye for Sappy. So thank you, Saba.
So cute.
cute.
Yes.
I did but today was really good. And I really like that. She was too good today. A little bit naughty. A little. I don't know why she is naughty, but that's okay.
Maybe because she's pregnant.
But some horses bite her because they are jealous that she's gonna have a baby.
Yeah.
They just said bye-bye to Saba. Now we are in the car going to the shop. It's called 7-Eleven. I think you don't have. Maybe you have. I don't know. If you're in Thailand, you have 7-Eleven. And we are going to 7-Eleven. Then to what beer are we going?
Nathan.
To Nathan Beer.
Video.
Okay, so now we are at 7-Eleven. I took this cute little bottle of water.
And some napkins, please.
Where are napkins?
We need napkins for your nose.
Napkins. Make sure I got them.
And some nuts for mommy.
So we are now at the house on Phangan. I hope you like the video. What can I add for my videos so you like it anymore? If you write something, I'm gonna read and I'm gonna answer. See you next time.